Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a homemade fertilizer that it's easy, and instead of throwing your eggshells, you can use them as a fertilizer for your garden. It's so easy. It's like when I'm done with my egg, I just put the shells like this. I just use the same carton I use for the egg and put it like this, and put it in, leave it like for 2 or 3 days in the cooler or in the fridge. Then instead of leaving it like this and put it in my soil, and I just ground it. I put it in the blender like this. It's much easier to put it this way for the soil to speed up that process. But if you put it like this, it will take forever, like 3-4 months until it's break down and all that. That's why you just need to use the blender. You can add like ground coffee, or you can add tea with it and put it as a fertilizer, or you can just use it like this. It's a good source for calcium for your vegetables, and you can put it for your fruit trees too if you want to. It's a really good source for calcium. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Peace.